The Pknight ArtNet DMX lighting controller offers a reliable one-universe ArtNet to DMX 512 node that fits well into small to medium lighting rigs for live events and installations. Its bi-directional design lets you both send DMX from ArtNet and capture incoming DMX to the network, which is especially useful for integrating older fixtures with modern control systems. The compact Ethernet interface uses a 3-pin XLR connection and is powered over 5-volt direct current via widely available USB power sources, making it easy to deploy with computers, adapters, or power banks. An integrated OLED screen with 4 hardware buttons allows quick configuration directly on the device, so you can adjust settings without digging into web pages or extra apps. Remote configuration through common ArtNet tools lets you manage IP settings and universe assignments from your control computer, streamlining setup in complex show networks. A customizable startup label adds a small but welcome touch, helping you identify the controller at a glance when you are juggling multiple nodes in a crowded rack or truss.